Hello, welcome students. Today we will study the numerical questions. Okay, the question is this: the solenoid of length 0.5 meter has a radius of 1 centimeter is made of 500 turn. It carries a current of 5 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field inside a solenoid? Okay, so in the questions has given solenoid of length 0.5 meter. Suppose this is the solenoid of length 5 meter and its radius, this one is the radius r is given what? Radius is given 1 centimeter and it is made of 500 turn. That is total number of turn. You know, no solenoid is made like this by the turn. So like this total number of turn is what? Total number of turn is 500 turn, okay, of wire turn, and it carries the current of 5 ampere. In a solenoid, current are flowing how much current? 5 ampere. This is the magnitude of current. Okay. Then what is the magnetic field? Magnitude of magnetic field inside a solenoid. We have to find inside a solenoid magnetic field intensity. Suppose this one is, I have told you in previous lecture, this one is the axis of solenoid. This is what? This is the axis of solenoids. Okay. On this axis, this one is called center of solenoid. This one is called center of solenoid. At a center, your magnetic field B is equal to mu 0 Ni. This one is the formula of magnetic field at a center. And at an end, at any ends, either here, your magnetic field is what? Mu 0 Ni by 2. That means half of the center. Remember this formula? Okay? Remember two formula: magnetic field at center B is equal to, it is given mu 0 Ni. Magnetic field at the end, magnetic field end of solenoids is given B is equal to mu 0 Ni by 2, half of the center. So in this questions, what is the magnetic field inside a solenoid? If in a questions has mentioned, if find the magnetic field inside a solenoid, then you have to find at the center. Always remember. If in a question has mentioned, find the magnetic field at the end of solenoid, then you have to find here or here. But in a question has mentioned magnetic field inside, that means you have to find at the center. The first line, what is given? So it is given what? First, the length of solenoids L is equal to, it is given 0.5 meter. Second, radius of solenoids R is equal to given 1 centimeter. One thing always remember, to solve any number of questions, you have to solve in SI unit. So centimeter is a CGS unit. So convert into SI unit. Then 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Because 1 centimeter equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Always remember, in any questions we have to solve in the SI systems. So centimeter is CGS system, you have to convert into SI system. And other what is given? It is made total number of turns. Total number of turns. Capital N. The formula is NL. Total number of turn is equal to NL. It is given what? 500 turn. Okay now? And again, it carries the current of 5 ampere. Then we can say current flowing in solenoids I is equal to what? 5 ampere. SI unit ampere is SI unit of current is ampere. No need to write. Okay now? So this is also SI unit. Then what you have to find? Next you have to consider what you have to find. what you have to find. Okay, then you have to find magnitude of what? Magnetic field at center is equal to question mark. This one is you have to find. And third you have to remember what is the used formula in this question. With the help of whose formula you will find this question. So used formula is what? This one is your formula. Magnetic field at center of solenoid. At center of solenoid B is equal to what? Mu 0 Ni. We will find with the help of this formula. Okay. So we will find with the help of this formula mu 0 upon Ni. Actually, to solve then we have to solve B is equal to what? Mu 0 Ni. Here in the questions, mu 0 is what? It is the permeability. Okay now? Permeability of mediums. So mu 0 values are not given. So you have to convert into the standard value. How you can convert mu 0 into standard value? So I have told you in previous lecture, you have to multiply like this. You have to multiply 4 pi and divide also. And now this one is converted into the standard form. And this value is, you know very well, this value is what? 10 to power minus 7 into 4 pi Ni. This is the magnetic equation number first. Here one problem is here. We know the value of 4 and pi I current is given, but small n is not given. Here capital N is 500 turn. So first find small n. So you can find like this. Since small n is equal to what? Capital N upon L. So small n is equal to capital N upon L. So small n, capital N is what? 500 and small L. L value is what? It is given 0.5 meter. So here is 0.5 meter. Okay, solve this one. If you remove this years, okay, then you can write like this 500 in the place of this one. We can write 10 into 5. Now your decimal converted to numbers. Okay, now 10 is like this. Now we can 5 1s are 5 or 100 5s are 500. Multiply this one, then n is equal to what? 100. So the small n, what is represented small n? Total n, total number of turn. Small n, it represent number of turns per unit length. Number of turn per unit length. Okay. Then now solve this one. Put the value of this in from equation number first. Then you get what? By equation number first. B is equal to what? Mu 0 Ni. So B is, what is equation number first? This one is not 10 to power minus 7 4 pi Ni. So B is equal to 10 to power minus 7 4 pi. In the place of small n, we can write what? In the place of pi, you can write 3.14. In the place of n, you have to write 1000 turn per unit length. Current is what? 5 ampere. Okay, solve this one, you get answer. B is equal to firstly 4 into 5 into 3.14 into 10 to power, this one is 7, 1 2 3. You can write 10 to power 3 also here, no problem. Okay, now then multiply this ones. B is equal to what? 4 5s are 20 into 3.14 into 10 to power minus 7, 10 to power 3 also. Okay, Ji? Then here B is equal to what? Multiply 10 in the place of 20. What you can write? So 2 into 3.14 into 10 to power minus 7 plus 3 and 10 1. It's become plus 1 here. Okay. Here I have used this formula. If the base are equal, then power you can get. Okay, now I have told you in the lecture. So the here is B equal to multiply this one, 4 to the 8 into 2 and 3 to the 6 into 10 to power what? 4, 3, 7 minus 4 minus 3 decimal. So this is a magnetic field. So this is the magnetic field at the center of solenoids. So like this you can find the questions. Okay, similarly if the question is asked here, what is the magnetic field at the end of solenoid? At the end of solenoid, then what you can find? B is equal to its half. That means half you can do half. So it's become 2 none. 2 3 ja 1 and 4 into 10 to power minus 3 decimal. In the question has not asked, but in the question has asked, okay, then you can find the magnetic field at the end of solenoid equal to this. So with the help of like this, you have to find, you can find the question's magnetic field of solenoids. Hope this one is clear. And like this question you have to solve, okay. And in the next chapter we will study Lorentz transformation. Lorentz force. We will study Lorentz force. Okay, na? Lorentz transformation is in the MSc, not in 12th class. Okay, so thank you.